At the end of the day, I wanted to go. The guy just gave me, I think, 3,500. I said, 3,500. I was like, 3,500 over a million gain, over like 2 million gain or so. So that encounter made me decided that I will never work for anybody in my life again. So I didn't collect the money, and I bought things I want to take back to school and all that. All I had there was 500 naira. So I just gave the 500 naira to my brother. That what can you do with the 500 naira? He said, I said, how many complimentary card can you make? About, he made about maybe 200 or so complimentary card then, 2003. And on May 14, 2003, I went inside and I collected the card after the production. I knelt down and I dedicate that this is the beginning of a company called TestJack Nigerian Ventures Limited. That was all. It was not registered. I just started that way. And people want to know that how can a boy of start a business of 500 naira and now he has estates all over. Now, after the graduation, I was still doing the paint, and then I want to go into estate like what we are doing today. That is really what I wanted to do, but I don't have the capital to do it. And then I have this dream. All I have then was a dream. So, and I've seen a site I wanted to start with at Yanologbo. I've negotiated with the king and the people in charge. Then they've given me even a portion that I can start with, but they needed money. At the point I negotiated to the point that if I can pay 30%, they say if I can pay 30%, they will allow me, but no money to start. Even the 30%, I don't have. Zero proposal, friend, and all that. I was waiting. So all I could do, and I've rented a shop at Dokpemu Road, number 150, Dokpemu Road, Agege. That was 2011. So I've rented a shop. So now I have to register. I registered TestJack Nigerian Ventures in 2011. We started that way, and this shop is going. I have a secretary. I was pursuing my dream. So what I needed to do was that I now turned it to all these agents, property agent shops. They graduate with a big dream, and now started renting shops for people. I would trek from, how agents operate, from street to street and all that. At times I would come back, I would cry that this is not what I really want to do. I've married Jen. I have a wife, I have a kid, I have a family to take care of. But I was just doing that. It was not palatable for me. It was not what I wanted to do. It was something, but meanwhile, we have seen some little breakthrough. A friend came, a footballer, handed over his property to me. I was managing the property. He trusted me, and I was doing all that. And I was still trying to raise capital. But the little money we were waiting, I was just waiting that one day there will be a major breakthrough. Probably I will sell a house, and from the commission, I'll go and pay for that land. But believe me, that didn't come at all. I was just waiting. Meanwhile, I don't know that period I was building capacity. I don't know that period God was building me. So at a point, I now realized that we have over 200 customer base. So when we have the over 200 customer base, I just told them that we want to announce Football Fans Estates. And I told the KBC, the owner of the land, that can I put a signboard on this land? Then the signboard we are marked that just give me for like 3 months, I'm going to raise the capital. So I just announced, I sent SMS to all the houses we manage, all the tenants and everybody that Football Fans Estate is going to come out. So. And then they said, a lot of them said, if it is Mr. Taiwo, no problem. And they send him money. A lot of them didn't even visit the land. They didn't go for inspection before they paid. It was that money, it was that capital we gathered together. That was our capital. We gathered their money as the capital, people's money. That was the capital we used to start the Football Fan Estate. The first phase, that was in Yanologbo. From there, we moved to Agbara, Aton. But today, we have in Agbara, Lekki, Mowe, and what is it called? Ayobom. All over. If you go through our website, permit me to do a bit of advert, www.testjack.com. You will see all our locations there. It started that way. It started that way. It was while waiting for this, that was when the breakthrough come. And then, the point is that we are still waiting. We are still waiting. We've not really emerged. We are still waiting for the next phase of the business. So we are also in a waiting period. Thank you so much, my brother. That's the summary of TestJack Nigerian Ventures Limited.